When we talk about graphing inequalities, I think this is a fairly simple concept for most people from a pretty young age. And it's when we start solving equations with inequalities that things really start to get a little bit more complicated. So I think it's important to go back to the basics. Let's talk about our inequality, how to graph it, what does it mean, what's the difference between this symbol and this symbol, and that's what we'll do in this tutorial. So this inequality says that x is going to be a number smaller than -7. Now, each math teacher has her own style, but for me, I put -7 right smack in the middle. That's the number we're talking about. Let's put it in the middle. And then we're going to continue our number line in both directions. We don't have to put 0 in the middle. That would be kind of silly in this situation. But since these are negative numbers, we are going to be going backwards from positive counting numbers. And that's why to the right, my numbers they appear to be smaller because they're closer to 0. Okay, so this one right here, what are we talking about? We're saying that x is less than -7. That means that it could be all the way up until right here, but it can't include -7. So what we do to describe that is we put an open circle here to say, okay, we're approaching -7, but we just can't get there. That's why it includes everything but that. And we're going to draw our arrow to the left because x is going to be less than -7. Now, if our symbol had been a less than or equal to sign, that means that it does include -7. It includes exactly -7, but 1/millionth bigger than -7 is not okay. So it's exactly up till the very moment that it gets to -7, not any bigger. And for that one, we would have shaded it with a solid circle and drawn our arrow that way, meaning, okay, less than that and including that.